Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn in how I can track your AC buy orders. So first is you just have to log in and to any of your web browser, and then you just have to log into your AC buy account. Okay, so once you're here, just have to tap on your profile, this one at the top, and then you would be redirected to this page. So here, just go to orders. That's right. So this is the first option where you can see the status of your order. Okay, so here we have the order status. So here you can see the current location of your parcel, item, or your order. And of course, when you go to the parcel section as well, okay, so right here you'd be able to see this options at the top. So we have in transit option. So you'd be able to see here your orders. Okay, so you'd be able to see here as well your completed orders and your canceled orders. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.